Good morning, and thank you for watching this morning, wherever you are. There's a passage in the Bible found in Colossians 3:23. And here's what it says. Whatever you do, do it with all your heart, as if working for the Lord, not for human masters. I think so many times people feel that only pastors and ministers do the work for the Lord. But the truth is, the work of being a pastor carries no more weight or significance with it than being a gas station attendant. Why? Because what's important is not what you do, it's who you do it for. Once you understand that, it changes everything. This means that there's purpose to whatever task we're called, even the mundane and boring ones. It's amazing to know that when we work hard for our earthly bosses, we're actually working hard for Christ. Here's a quick story that'll help explain what I mean. An elderly carpenter was ready to retire, and he told his employer of his plans to leave the house building business, that he wanted to live a more leisurely life with his wife and family. Although he would certainly miss the paycheck, he felt that the time was right for him to retire. They could get by. The employer was sorry to see his good worker go and asked if he could build him just one more house before he left, sort of as a personal favor. The carpenter agreed to stay on for one more house, but it was easy to see that his heart just wasn't in his work. He cut a few corners here and there and resorted to shoddy workmanship, and occasionally even used a few inferior materials. When the carpenter finished his work, the employer came to inspect the house. Afterwards, he reached into his pocket and handed the front door key to the carpenter. "This is your house," the employer said. "It's my gift to you for all the great years that you've worked for me." The carpenter was stunned. If he would only have known that he had been building his own house, he would have done it so differently. Now he had to live in that home that he had built. So many times we build our lives the same way that that carpenter did, right? I mean, we get distracted, and before you know it, we're doing much less than our best. And then with a shock, we look at the situation that we've created and find that we're now living in the house that we built. Think about yourself as being that carpenter, and think about your life as being that home. Each day, you get to build a house. You hammer a nail, you place a board, maybe you finish a wall, knowing that you're going to live in the results of whatever you do. Build wisely, right? I mean, after all, life is a do-it-yourself project. Your life tomorrow is going to be the result of the attitudes and the choices that you make today. I pray that you have a blessed day. Each morning, look to this Facebook page for more encouraging videos that will help to lift your spirits. And as always, I encourage you to leave a comment below and hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you. And God bless you as you go through your day today.